Today I'm reviewing the NedHouse B Purple Insulated Lunch Bag. The zipper ends are little spoons. The straps on the side are adjustable and allow the lunch bag to expand upwards. Both the top and bottom can be opened with a zipper. This lunch bag also easily collapses for storage. To be contained more easily, the bag has a section that can be closed off. This will keep the food a little more secure. This lunch bag is very well insulated, with insulation in the top and the bottom, and all the way around. I find it convenient to put some snacks at the very top of the bag so I don't have to dig through for the rest of the lunch. This bag is a good size for me, and it holds just enough so that I am good for a day at work. Everything inside stays cool, but this bag could also keep warm foods warm. If I choose to not close off this section, the bag can expand to its full size up, but even so, look how much food fits. This is such a cute lunch bag that expands. I love the color purple and I love the bee pattern. Thanks for listening and watching my video.